Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of the giant clunky tower PC taking up half your desk, you are definitely not alone. The mini PC revolution is in full swing, and these tiny powerhouses are capable of handling everything from your home office work and streaming binge sessions to serious content creation and even AAA gaming. But with so many options out there, how do you choose? Well, we've done the hard work for you. We're counting down the top 5 best mini PCs you can grab right now, and we're starting with an incredible budget-friendly option. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the KAMRUI GK3 Plus. Now, if your wallet is feeling a little light, but you still need a reliable and capable little computer, this is your champion. For a price that often dips under $200, you're getting a surprising amount of hardware. It's powered by an Intel 12th Gen Alder Lake N95 processor, which might not be a gaming beast, but it absolutely tears through everyday tasks like browsing the internet with a dozen tabs open, managing your emails, editing documents, and even some light photo editing. It comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM and a 512 gigabyte SSD right out of the box, which is fantastic for the price. This mini PC is perfectly designed for turning any monitor into a home office workstation, or for discreetly tucking behind your living room TV to unlock a world of streaming beyond your smart TV's limited apps. It supports 3-screen display through its dual HDMI and VGA ports, so you can really spread out your work. With gigabit Ethernet, dual-band Wi-Fi, and a built-in cooling fan, the KAMRUI GK3 Plus is proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a solid, dependable computing experience. Now let's step things up a significant notch for our number 4 spot. If you're a gamer or a content creator on a budget, you need to pay very close attention to the GMKtec Nuckbox M7. This little box is an absolute monster for its price point. At its heart is an AMD Ryzen 7 PRO6850H processor, and more importantly, it's paired with the legendary integrated graphics chip, the Radeon 680M. Now, let's be clear, this integrated graphics is so powerful that its performance is almost on par with a dedicated NVIDIA GTX 1050 Ti graphics card. That means you can comfortably play a huge library of modern AAA games without needing a big, expensive, power-hungry GPU. It comes with a massive 32 gigabytes of superfast DDR5 RAM and a 512 gigabyte PCIe SSD. One of its coolest features for gamers is the Oculink port, which allows for an even more powerful external graphics card setup than traditional USB ports, giving you better frame rates and lower lag. It also features a dual-fan cooling system to keep performance high during those intense gaming sessions, and it can drive up to 4 screens, including an incredible 8K resolution on your main display. For under $400, the GMKtec M7 delivers a level of gaming performance that was unimaginable in a mini PC just a few years ago. Landing in the number 3 position is a device that truly blurs the line between a mini PC and a high-end desktop workstation, the GEEKOM AX8 Max. This thing is built like a tank from aircraft-grade aluminum and is an absolute powerhouse featuring the AMD Ryzen 78745HS processor and, crucially, the Radeon 780M graphics. This is the king of integrated graphics right now with performance that rivals a GTX 1060. That means you're not just looking at casual gaming, you're looking at smooth gameplay in the latest titles at high settings. It comes with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and a full 1 terabyte NVMe SSD for all your games and projects. GEEKOM engineered a fantastic cooling system called Ice Blast 2.0 to ensure this power doesn't lead to overheating or loud fan noise. On the connectivity front, it's a beast with dual 2.5G Ethernet ports for advanced networking, dual USB 4 ports for blistering fast data transfers and external GPU support, and the ability to run a massive 4-display setup with up to 8K resolution. If you are a serious gamer, a video editor, or a designer who wants desktop-level power in a silent, compact form factor, the GEEKOM AX8 Max is an almost perfect choice. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the GEEKOM AT13, but this one is for the Intel fans and raw power seekers. This 2025 edition mini PC is armed with an Intel 13th Gen core, i9-13900HK processor. Yes, you heard that right. A full-fledged laptop-class i9 in a mini PC. This chip is an absolute multitasking monster with 14 cores and 20 threads, capable of boosting up to a staggering 5.4 GHz. It's built for demanding creative workflows, heavy data crunching, and competitive gaming. It also comes with 32 GB of fast RAM and a 1 TB NVMe SSD, but the real story here is the incredible expandability. You can upgrade the RAM all the way up to 96 GB and add multiple additional drives for a total storage capacity that rivals a full-size server. For graphics, it uses the capable Intel Iris Xe graphics, but its true potential is unlocked with its dual USB 4 ports, which allow you to connect a monstrous external graphics card for gaming or rendering. With its premium aluminum chassis, efficient cooling that reduces noise by 40%, and support for 8K quad displays, the GEEKOM IT13 is a no-compromise mini PC for anyone who refuses to sacrifice performance for size. And finally, we've arrived at our #1 pick, the overall best mini PC you can buy today. For a seamless, powerful, and incredibly efficient experience, the crown goes to the Apple Mac Mini with the M4 Pro chip. This is not just the best mini PC. For many people, this is the best computer, period. The Apple Silicon M4 Pro chip inside is a revolutionary piece of technology, offering insane performance per watt. It absolutely flies through any task you throw at it, from everyday apps to compiling code, editing multiple streams of 8K video, and even gaming, while remaining cool, quiet, and sipping power. Our featured configuration comes with 24 GB of unified memory and a 512 GB SSD, ensuring everything feels instantaneous. Its biggest advantage is the seamless ecosystem. If you use an iPhone or an iPad, the integration is magical. Files, messages, and workflows just sync effortlessly. While its port selection is modern, including gigabit Ethernet, it might require adapters for some monitors, but it supports multiple high-resolution displays with ease. The Mac Mini M4 Pro delivers a level of polished, hassle-free, and raw performance that is currently unmatched in the mini PC space, making it our undisputed top pick.